Hey guys, I'm here with Mr. Wrench. I'm going to be doing a tool review on this Dremel. I'm going to start. It's a multi-pro variable speed. You can see it's 5,000 to 30,000 RPM. It's 1 to 5 speeds. Here's your on and off. Right now I got this cutoff wheel on here. Nice tool. I've had it for a while. It lasted a while. Haven't ever had any problems. You can get all kinds of other attachments and stuff for it. I got some polishing bits, some sanding, grinding, more sanding. I got this buffing wheel. I got the smaller one too. Got a couple grinding stones. This is a sanding thing. I'll tell you, these sanders are nice. I mean, they'll eat wood like crazy. But thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to Mr. Wrench. Have a nice day.